Hi, I'm Molly. Have you ever felt like you are carrying the weight of stress or frustration like a heavy backpack that you just can't seem to put down? What if the key to releasing that weight was something ancient, simple, and deeply transformative? Something that's been quietly changing my life too. Well, recently I started learning about Reiki, and it's been such a powerful journey. Reiki is all about working with your energy, your life force, and bringing it back into balance. And one of the core teachings of the system of Reiki is Gokai, or called Five Precepts. These guiding principles help you live with greater harmony, intention, and presence. So, in this 5-part series, I'll be sharing one precept in each video, breaking down what it means and how you can apply it in your daily life. And today, we are starting with the first precept, one that has already begun shifting how I handle my energy and emotions. Let's dive in and explore how it can transform your life too. You are probably thinking, what is Reiki? Well, it's more than just a practice. Reiki is a way of understanding and working with energy to bring harmony and balance into our lives. The word Reiki comes from two Japanese words, Rei, meaning universal or spiritual wisdom, and Ki, that refers to energy, universal energy, or life force energy, the energy that flows through all living things. Together, Reiki means spiritual energy or universal life force energy. Usui Mikao developed the system of Reiki in the early 20th century, and at the heart of the system are 5 key elements. Number 1 is the precepts, Gokai. They are the guiding principles for living with intention and harmony. The second element is meditation. That's a way to cultivate awareness and connect with your energy. The third element is hands-on healing. It's a method of channeling life force energy to promote balance. The third element is symbols and mantras. They are the tools to deepen the connection with Reiki energy. The fifth element is attunements. They are the practice of energy transmission that helps aligning your energy with Reiki. The Gokai, or 5 precepts, are the foundation of the entire system of Reiki. They are simple yet profoundly impactful. In Usui's original text in Japanese, the precepts are introduced with the phrase, "the secret method for inviting blessings and happiness," and they are the spiritual medicine for all sickness and disease. These words highlight just how transformative these principles can be. They are not just for healing, they are actually for living a balanced and meaningful life. The precepts also begin with the phrase, "for today only." This powerful reminder encourages us to live in the present moment. The past is behind us, the future is not here yet, and the only moment we truly have is now. So in this video, I'll be sharing the first of these precepts with you. Let's explore how it can transform your energy and help you live a greater harmony. The first precept is do not anger. At first glance, this might sound like a call to suppress or avoid anger, but it is so much deeper than that. The precept invites us to recognize that anger is a reaction, not our true state of being. When we let anger take over, it disrupts our inner harmony and pulls us out of balance. Anger often stems from unmet expectations or feeling like something isn't going our way. But when we hold on to it, anger becomes more than just a passing emotion. It turns into a block. Reiki teaches us that anger disrupts the natural flow of life force energy, creating ripples of imbalance that affect not just our emotion, but our ability to align with the flow of life. From a manifestation perspective, this is especially important. Why? Because manifestation requires the alignment of your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your energy to all work together. When you are stuck in anger, your negative emotions vibrate at a low frequency. You are focused on the problem rather than solution. And since what we focus on, it expands and will manifest what we are, you are continuously manifesting the problem again and again because you're focusing on the problem. And now this problem is being manifested into the future too. And you do not want that, right? The precept, do not anger, reminds us to step back, let go of anger, and return to balance. By doing so, we raise our vibrational frequency, align with the solutions we seek, and open the door for clarity, creativity, and abundance to flow into our lives. So, how can we practice do not anger in our daily lives? Let me share a few simple things that have been working for me. First, pause and breathe. When you feel anger bubbling up, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and give yourself some space to process. Ask yourself, what's really happening here? Is this anger worth holding on to? Very often, just that moment of reflection, that pause, it helps you calm down and helps you step away from the situation. Second, focus on the now. Remember the phrase, for today only. This has been such a grounding practice for me. When I catch myself dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, I bring my focus back to what's happening right now. It helps me stay present and let go of the things that no longer serve me. The third way is reframe the situation. Sometimes anger comes from unmet expectations or feeling misunderstood. When this happens, I try to reframe the situation by asking, what can I learn from this? Is there another way to see this moment? Shifting your perspective can be incredibly freeing. The fourth way is to do something that brings peace. Whether it's stepping outside, listening to music, or taking a short walk, small actions can help you release anger and reset. For me, even just focusing on something I'm grateful for will make a huge difference. Gratitude is a way of softening anger and bringing us back to balance. The precept, do not anger, reminds us to let go of emotions that disrupt our harmony and to return to a place of balance and peace. By practicing this principle, we not only improve our energy but also create a life that feels more aligned and abundant. In the next part of this series, we will continue exploring another guiding principle of Reiki, one that builds on the foundation of balance and harmony we've discussed today. Each precept has the power to transform how we approach our energy, emotions, and daily life. Have you heard of Reiki before? Let me know in the comments. And if this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part of this series. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey.